Hi there, students. Have you ever heard the word snuck? Well, snuck is an irregular past tense or an irregular past participle of the verb to sneak. This is actually a case of a regular verb becoming the irregularization of a verb. Okay, so I snuck into the theatre. We very quietly because it was late. Yeah, I snuck in, I creeped, I went stealthily. Yeah, I snuck in to enter while trying to avoid detection. Yeah, I didn't want to be noticed. Um, I snuck into the office while nobody was looking and stole some things. Okay. I snuck some chocolate out of the box. Yeah. Okay. So to sneak, to steal. Yeah. I when I was a kid, well, when I was in my teens, maybe I come home very late at night or very early the next morning. So I snuck into the house, yeah, to go in a stealthy, quiet manner, yeah, to act quietly so nobody will notice. He went outside and snuck a cigarette while nobody was watching, so nobody actually noticed him. Okay, so it's the past simple or the past participle of to sneak, to be furtive. He snuck out of the back exit, and nobody saw him leave. To creep out, to slink out, to slip out. Yeah. Um, okay, so snuck as the participle or the past simple of sneak. I snuck a quick look at the things that were hidden in the cupboard. Yeah, the children snuck a look at the presents that they were going to have for Christmas. Okay, so let's see formality. Let's see. I think this is an irregular plural and it's probably not standard as well, although the Americans use snuck a lot. I think you're probably better using sneaked if you want to sound more formal. You see, I would give snuck maybe a 4 in formality, informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, whereas sneaked I would give a 5 in formality, use anywhere. And then, okay, yes, the origin, well, it comes directly from the verb to sneak, which comes from Proto-Germanic snikana, to creep or to crawl. Okay, so I snuck out of the house very late at night so that nobody would notice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Snuck, from the verb to sneak.